How long does it take to learn English? 6 months? A year? 2 years? See, if these are some of the questions that you are often asking, then let me tell you, you are not alone. And today I have the perfect answer for you. Hi guys, welcome back to Ingvarta. Today I am going to give you an honest answer that no one is telling you about on how long does it actually take to become fluent in English. So are you ready? Let's start. Now, before we can start on a timer, there is one thing that we really need to talk about. What does fluency mean to you? Yes, fluency means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. For some, fluency means to be able to speak like a native speaker with an American or British accent. But for most of us, fluency means these three simple things. Number one, to be able to speak without getting stuck. Number two, to be able to understand others easily. And number three, to be able to express your thoughts clearly and confidently. Plus, let's be very clear about one thing. Fluency has nothing to do with perfection. No, fluency does not mean that there should be zero grammar mistakes or the accent should be absolutely perfect. No, not at all. Fluency simply means that how clear and confident you are when you are expressing yourself. Yes, that's the real game. So now the question is, how long does it actually take to become fluent in English? Now, the most genuine answer to this question is it depends. It depends on a lot of factors and majorly focusing on these four factors. Number one, your starting level. Yes, are you a complete beginner or are you someone who can understand English but is only weak at the speaking part? Your starting point matters a lot. Number two, your environment. Your environment also plays a very crucial role. Are you surrounded by English every day or are you just surrounded by your native language? That also plays a very important part because the immersion of language that you're having around you also determines on how much time will it take for you to speak English fluently. Number three, your consistency. See, being consistent also plays a very important role whether you are practicing daily for 30 minutes or are you just practicing whenever you feel motivated or whenever you get time. That also matters a lot. And number four, your practice method. The way you are practicing also determines the time. Whether you are a passive learner who just watches English, who just sees English or listens to English, or you are an active learner who practices it or speaks it on a daily basis. That also determines on how long will it take for you to speak in English fluently. And now let's talk about numbers. See, if you are consistent, and by consistent I mean if you practice daily for 30 to 60 minutes, then here's a realistic timeline that you can expect for yourself. Number one, beginner to basic conversational. Now, here the timeline is 3 to 6 months. During this period, you will be able to hold simple conversations, you will be able to introduce yourself, even ask and answer common questions. Number two, intermediate to confident speaker. Here, the timeline is 6 months to 1 year. Now, during this stage, you will be able to share your complex thoughts, you will be able to share your opinion, even hold random conversations with almost anyone. And number three, advanced to near native English speaker. Now, here the timeline is 1.5 to 2 years. In this stage, you will become more comfortable. You will be able to share your views, share your thoughts during debates, presentations, random conversations, and plus you will also be able to crack random jokes purely in English. But remember, fluency is not a magic trick. It's something that grows with time. So the more you practice, the more consistent you are, the more better you will get. And now the actual truth that nobody is telling you. It's not about the amount of time. No, it's about how you use that time. See, you can spend a year watching YouTube videos, watching English learning videos, and still not be able to speak. Or you can spend 15 minutes on a daily basis on focused conversations and grow faster than anyone else. And for that, I have the Ingvarta app for you. You can practice and have focused conversations with live English experts on a daily basis. These experts won't judge you but will help you with your overall fluency. So, download the app today. And hey, hear me on this one. Stop comparing yourself. Yes, you don't need to compare yourself with your friends, with your colleagues, or with anyone for that matter of fact. Your friend might get it in 6 months, but for you, it might take 12 months or a year. But that's completely okay because it's not a race. See, fluency is not a trophy that you need to win, that you need to get. It's a skill, and skills are built, not one. Just remember, one mistake, one conversation, one day at a time. So, instead of asking, how long will it take? Start asking, how can I practice English today? Did I enjoy the process? Am I being consistent? And apart from that, here's your new focus list. Number one, speak daily. Speak with yourself, speak with real people, or speak with experts. Number two, consume content you love. Watch videos, vlogs, podcasts, something that you absolutely love, something that you absolutely enjoy. You can also turn on the subtitles or turn them off according to your preference. Number three, make mistakes proudly. Every mistake is a proof that you are trying. So, make them proudly. And number four, track your progress, not for judgment, but for motivation to check how far you have come. See, you won't just wake up all fluent one morning. No. But one day you will definitely hold a 10-minute proper conversation and realize that you didn't even translate even a single word in your head. And that's the day you will smile and say, I have made it. If you found this video helpful and liked it, then make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Also, write I am ready to be consistent in the comments below. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy learning.